Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all fat burning diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 7 kgs in 7 days very easily. Now recently my lots of clients followed this type of plan for weight loss and they were able to see a great transformation happening for themselves, and so can you. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the number 6284306522 and let's start your weight loss transformation with Sheena and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started with fat burning diet plan to help you lose 7 kgs in 7 days very easily. Now when it comes to fat burning properties, we need to make sure that we are getting all these things listed on your screen very properly. First, sleep of 8 hours and good sound sleep is very important. Second is metabolism boosting properties. We need to induce food in your diet which helps you to boost your metabolism to such a level where your body is automatically able to lose its weight. Third thing, fat burning properties. We need to make sure that you are burning your calories so that we are able to see a good weight loss happening, and that is very much easily possible with 30 to 40 minutes of running or walking or even working out at home itself. And the major and the most important thing is providing yourself with a balanced nutritional diet which helps you to balance all your macro and micronutrients and definitely choose the foods which are great for your overall health. So let's quickly start with our fat burning diet plan to help you lose 7 kgs in 7 days very easily, starting with our early morning drink, which is the first thing that you have as soon as you wake up. It has to be something warm, it has to be something which helps you to burn your fat and also something which helps you to hydrate your body which is dehydrated throughout the night. The first thing that comes to my mind and definitely works for all my clients is lemon water. All you have to do is simply add 1 lemon squeezed to 1 glass of lukewarm water, mix it well. Along with that, add pinch of cinnamon powder and pinch of black pepper powder. Now what exactly this does is, first, boost your vitamin C in the body. Second, cinnamon and black pepper helps you to suppress your appetite and also keep your sugar cravings at bay. And third major and most important thing is detoxification. So let's start our day with lemon water. Second option, if you cannot have this because of your sinus issue or any kind of issue, then of course we can replace this drink with either cinnamon or ajwain water. All you have to do is simply add 1 stick of cinnamon while you're boiling your water, or you can simply add 1 teaspoon of ajwain if you cannot have cinnamon as well. Now this basically helps your body to remove all the water retention, swelling, bloating of any kind, and also helps you with postpartum weight loss and PCOD and PCOS as well. So do try out these recipes for your early morning drink to see the magic happening. Now let's quickly proceed towards our breakfast options for fat burning diet plan. When it comes to fat burning properties, of course the breakfast has to be high in protein and less in carbs. So the best option if you're vegetarian and can have eggs is always have 2 to 3 boiled egg whites. You can prepare it as omelette or just have it as boiled egg whites as well. If you're preparing yourself an omelette, always make sure to add lots and lots of vegetables to it like spinach, mushrooms, bell peppers, onion, tomato, capsicum, whatever is available with you, and make sure it's a very fuller and healthy omelette for you which satiates you for longer time of the day as well. Second option for all the vegetarians out there who cannot have this for their breakfast option can always switch to having oatmeal with fruits. Oatmeal, when prepared with rolled oats at the same time adding 1 teaspoon of peanut butter into it or even a scoop of protein powder, works amazingly well to satiate you and also helps you with keeping your sugar cravings at bay because we do add lots of fruits to it as well. So always make sure to have a good full bowl of oatmeal with fruits. You can add chia seeds to it, you can add any kind of your fruit seasonally available to it, and make sure it's a very fresh made breakfast for you. Third option is for all of those who cannot have these two options, can always indulge themselves into a fresh fruit smoothie. Now my personal favorite is always apple, oats, peanut butter, banana smoothie. Now why it is my favorite? Because it works as an oatmeal but easy to carry. Definitely very easy to carry and works wonders to satiate yourself as well. Quickly let's proceed towards our mid-morning snack option which comes between lunch and breakfast. If you feel hunger pangs during this time, which is approximately at 11 am, so you should always make sure to indulge yourself into a cup of hot green tea or peppermint tea, whatever works good for you. Or you can also switch to having either 1 cup of coconut water if it's freshly available and low locally sourced to you, or you can skip and simply just have 1 cup of green tea or matcha tea or peppermint tea, whatever is locally available to you. Quickly, let's proceed towards our lunch option. When it comes to your fat burning properties, always make sure to have apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water 30 minutes before your lunch. It helps you to lower your blood sugar levels when it comes to your food intake, does not include any kind of sugar spikes when it comes to your food intake, and the major best thing is it helps you to balance your pH levels in the body as well. So always try to have 1 teaspoon added to 1 glass of lukewarm water of apple cider vinegar. Works amazing for your fat burning properties as well. Quickly, let's proceed towards our 2 options for lunch, which will be, of course, the first option has to be something Indian, easy to prepare, easy to carry, and works wonders for your weight loss also. Now I am talking about having either besan chila or moong dal chila. Now these 2 options are very easy to prepare because first, chila is a very quick recipe and does not include any kind of roti making or any kind of cooking to it. So very little cooking and definitely great for your fat loss also because it consists of good amount of complex carbs and also high in protein as well. The recipes of moong dal chila or besan chila or suri chila are already up on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients, very less time to prepare or prep, and is very tasty as well. So do try out these recipes and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about these. You can also include a bowl of dahi or curd or fresh homemade curd along with your chilas. You can have 2 to 3 chilas. Along with that, always make sure to have good full bowl of salad along with it, which is of course 1 cucumber, tomato, onion, lettuce, whatever is freshly locally available at your place. Do not add any kind of salad dressings to your salad because let's just keep it raw. Now let's proceed towards our second option for lunch for fat burning properties. Of course, I'll be giving you a very quick to make recipe. Now this particular recipe is my personal favorite because the kebabs that you use into it are very mouth watering and also can be meal prepped in advance. On weekends, you can prepare these kebabs and refrigerate it very well and just quickly heat it in the microwave or air fry them and you're good to go for your high protein kebab salad. The complete recipe is already up on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients and is very easy to prepare as well and good to carry also. Along with that, you can obviously have this amazing dressing which I love to pour over salads, but of course when you're not inducing any kind of carbs to it. So you can always try out these recipes and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about them. And now quickly, let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack, which comes post lunch and which is pre-dinner. Between your lunch and dinner, if you feel hunger pangs, then this meal is for you. I always prefer all my clients to add 5 soaked almonds, 2 walnuts and 1 anjeer to your diet every single day, which helps you to regulate your hormonal imbalances also. At the same time, is very important for your brain health, heart health, and great for snacking. Along with that, you can have a freshly brewed cup of chamomile tea or peppermint tea or green tea or even black tea or black coffee as per your own choice, and you're good to go for your mid-evening snack. Now let's quickly proceed towards our dinner option for fat burning diet plan for weight loss. The first option for dinner will of course be 0 carb, but yes, amazing for your fat loss and great in high protein qualities as well. I am talking about having paneer tikka. Everybody's favorite, everybody loves it. You can always replace your paneer with even chicken if you don't like paneer. You can even replace it with tofu as per your own choice. Works amazing for fat loss. Along with that, you can always add some onion, bell peppers, capsicum along with it and season it well, and you're good to go to air fry it or just use a grill pan to it. 150 grams of paneer is good to go for your dinner. Along with that, you can of course induce lots of vegetables to it. Second option is for all my soup lovers who want a very warming dinner for their fat burning properties. Of course, these soup recipes work amazingly well. My clients love having them every single night and they're good to go for your bedtime drink then. On the screen are your complete soup recipes. You can check it out. It's very easy to prepare. I've even given the links in the description box below. They are very easy to prepare. Lemon coriander soup is my personal favorite because it definitely gives you a kick and you will love having it every single night. Lemon coriander soup, tomato zucchini soup, all veggie soup, whatever soup recipes you want to add. You can even have chicken soup or egg soup as well. Now let's quickly proceed towards our bedtime drink option, which comes post dinner, and this is very important to regulate your sleep cycle, and also people suffering from insomnia should do try out these teas for their bedtime drink. The first option is of course a freshly brewed cup of chamomile tea. My clients have seen amazingly well results with it and they are very happy with it because they do see great good sleep benefits throughout the night. Second option is of course you can always switch to having ajwain or jeera water. It helps you to debloat yourself, gives you a very relaxing and soothing gut health sleep, and also you're good to go for your bloating issues also. With this diet plan, always make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail because it helps you to hydrate yourself well, remove all the bad toxins toxins from your body very quickly and gives you good skin benefits also. If you want personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss journey with me and begin a transformation happening. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the meal recipes or diet plans, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and my sister channel, which is Let's Go Healthy. They both are my channel and they definitely are a great source of your knowledge for weight loss tips and tricks, how my clients reduce weight every single day. Come along with your weight loss journey with me and we'll be in touch throughout the time. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.